Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Ret3k TV. Today I'm going to show you how to mix and master your beat. So let's get into the tutorial. Let's get going. Right in here, I'm in my FL Studio, Adobe Black. You know what I'm saying? So let me just play this beat. So when I'm done playing the beat, I'm going to show you how to do your master and your mixing techniques. All right? I'm using waves. So if you're using waves, you should follow along. So let's get going. Right now, I'm on my hook, alright? The next step, I think from here, we're going down to my chorus. Let's go. I should stop the beat around here. Very simple beat. Very simple. Not much automation. So we're gonna stop here, right? Bang. Sorry fellas, I had to stop that thing there. For my samples, I had to color them red, you know what I'm saying? So my samples are red and my VSTs are blue. So right now I'm going to create a bus for my sample and I'm also create a bus for my VSTs. So on my first bus, I'm going to call this instrument bus, alright? Now this instrument bus is going to carry all samples ranging from my kick to my clap to my snares, my hi-hat, and I'm going to create another bus called band bus. And I'm going to color this blue, right? Now I'm going to route everything. So everything is actually routed to the master track right now. So I'm going to take everything down to the instrument bus, all right? So I'm going to right click and then I'll do route to this track only, okay? So this is actually what you want to do. Don't do route to this track, because if you do route to this track, everything is going to be routed to this track and at the same time routed to the master track, okay? So you really want to do route to this track only, you know what I'm saying? And I have my instrument bus routed to my master track. Okay, fine. I think we are actually getting what we want. So on the band bus, now I'm going to take everything colored blue down to the band bus, all right? So this is the band. I got this. Then I'm going to come down to the little enable sense from Nintendo to band. So I'm going to right click and I'll route to track only, okay? Now on my band bus, I can I can actually off this. I can solo all the bands. I can solo all the instruments. So let's just try this. So right now I'm soloing just the bands. If you really understand what I mean. Right now I'm soloing just the instruments. All right. I still need to create a bypass track. On my bypass channel, I'm gonna color this black. That's actually how I like calling my bypass track. I'm gonna route my instrument on my band bus down to my bypass bus. I'm gonna right click and I would say route to this track only. Just these two buses have been routed to my bypass bus. I could actually off this. I could on this from here, you know what I'm saying? I could solo this. It's gonna mute everything except for my vocals. Understand this, you know what I'm saying? What you need to do is to drop some effects, all right? Some compression, some EQ, and maybe a maximizer. You need to use good monitors to actually mix and master your beats. So for me, I got my MOG BX5 sitting close to me. Let's do this. So on my instrument bus, I'm gonna drop something like a wave EQ. Where are your waves? So if you're having waves, wave VST 9.0, you might actually see this. So I'm going to select API 2500. So I'm going to set my threshold to about 0.11. Then I'll set my attack to 1. Then on my ratio, I need to set it to 4 to 1. I think I'm okay with that. Then I'm going to obviously take it down to up the analog mode and switch it a little bit in front. Maybe 6.5 or 6.2, you know what I'm saying? So let's play and see how it's going to sound like. Next up, we need to do an EQ. So I'm going to drop an instance of waves. And I will go by API 560 mono. I just want the sound to be on mono, especially just the instruments. So let's just tweak this a little bit. I'm going to take this thing up. I'm going to take each knob up, highest. Then I'm going to drop it down till when I get the frequency I desire. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you should do the same to most of your beat. You know what I'm saying? Next up, I need to work on the band bus. I need to drop an EQ. Also, I need to drop a compressor. You know what I'm saying? So, right here, I'm on my instrument track, all right? On my instrument, what? Track. So I'm going to go down to this mix options. Go to File. Go to Save Mr. Track State, all right? So I'm going to hold down my mouse. Click and drag this down to my band bus. Right here, I'm just going to change the color on the name. Then right here, I'm going to tweak this. Okay? The bands. Yeah, I think it's okay by me. The EQ is actually bringing the sound. So what I need to do right here is change this to API 560 stereo. Not my bad. 560 stereo. I'm gonna do the same for the EQ. Okay. So right in here, I have my API 2500 stereo and my API 560 stereo. This is my compressor that's gonna affect my band bus. And this is my EQ too that's gonna affect my band bus. All right. Let me start by compressing the bands and my sounds. So I'm gonna go by 8.94 on my threshold. I say I'm gonna drop that down to 30, or you could call this actually 30 and 2.0, 2.1. I think I'm okay with this compression. And I'm gonna take this down a little bit and maybe crank it up. Then I'm gonna change my knee level. I'm gonna change it down to and in my APF 5.6 stereo. I'm gonna change some settings down here. Maybe here for the highs. Know what I'm saying? So let's go. So I'm gonna kill the lows right here. Kill some of the lows. You know what I'm saying? So I'm okay with that. Now I'm gonna affect my bypass. I actually like using waves. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drop an L2 stereo. I'm gonna drop brainwax shred spread. You know what I'm saying? Now this is actually gonna spread the sounds, alright? Left and right. I should do this on the band bass. I like my sounds spreading out. Let's try this. This is on mono right now. Now this is stereo, okay? Surround sound. So as it stands now, my bypass track has been mixed and mastered. What I need to do is to introduce a maximizer. Let's see how this is gonna be. But make sure of clipping. Right, my beat has been mixed and mastered. Next up, what I need to do is just to render my beat and everything is okay. So I'm gonna play from the beginning, right from the intro and down to the ending. Please subscribe and drop a like or a comment for more videos, okay? Thank you. Thank you. This is Ret3k Productions. Let's go.